Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Farmville 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Farmville 2 game on your device, and once you complete the basic tutorial levels, you will be able to log in using your Facebook or your Google Play account. Once you have logged into your account, if you wish to delete this account and all of the progress associated with it, then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. From the gear icon page, tap on Help, and now you will see the Delete Account button. Go ahead and tap on this button, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. Tap on the OK button and provide your confirmation to delete this account. And once you provide your confirmation, you will be logged out from your game, and your account will be scheduled for deletion. Just to be sure, make sure not to log back in for another 3 weeks, and after this, your account will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on the Farmville 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.